Hi and welcome, Lisa here, bringing you another product reveal with the Elvira Moonlighting Die Set. Now this die set includes 5 dies with Elvira measuring approximately 3.5 inches tall and about 2.25 inches wide at the widest point. The lamp post measures 4.25 inches tall, just to give you an idea of the sizes. Now, this die set is perfect for creating scenes for those eerie ink blended backgrounds, or simply pair them with the new Haunted or Vampire paper packs from Whimsy Stamps. And I've already thought about how to use that lamppost for Christmas cards. Now here you can see how the die set not only goes great with the Vampire paper pack, but also the recently released Slimline Hill House die. I have a tutorial showing you how to create this card. It will be linked at the end of this video. Now, if you want to see more inspiration featuring the Elvira Moonlighting Die Set, head over to the blog or follow Whimsy Stamps on Instagram. You're going to want to be sure you're sharing your projects with us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group and tagging those projects #Whimsy Stamps Halloween. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified of new content to the channel. And until next time, take care.